You want to know how to buy something now and pay for it later at Best Buy? Let's talk about how Best Buy financing works. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So I want to know, are you thinking about buying a new TV, a laptop, a phone from Best Buy, but you're worried about paying all at once? Let me know what you're looking for in the comments. Best Buy financing might be the best solution that you're looking for. It lets you get the product that you want now and pay in smaller amounts over time. So how does it work? First, when you check out, you can choose to finance your purchase using Best Buy's credit card, okay? This allows you to make monthly payments, so it's easier on your budget. Sometimes Best Buy offers special no interest deals, okay? That's very good. No interest? Man, why not? Where you won't have to pay extra if you pay it off before the deal ends, okay? So you got to be careful though. If you don't pay it off on time, you might have to pay interest. So, also there's other financing options like lease-to-own plans, okay? Where you can rent the product for a while before you decide to buy it. Did you know that? So that's another thing. And listen, I want to know, are you ready to shop smarter? Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you got anything out of this little video over here. So I love you, okay?